The days of simply maintaining personnel files and advising on hiring, firing, and compensation are long gone for HR professionals. Today, they fulfill a variety of roles that require knowledge and competencies in areas that were foreign to them in the past. It was in the 1980s that human resource management was developed in the USA. Billed as a new approach to managing people, the key aspect of HRM was that people are a firm's most important asset that must be valued, empowered, and committed. This was unlike its predecessor, personnel management, which focused on administering people as a resource like any other in the organization that needed to be carefully and cost-effectively controlled, hence the hire and fire perception of personnel management. Today's HR profession has moved on considerably. The Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development identifies 10 professional areas: service delivery and information, organizational design, organizational development, resourcing and talent planning, learning and talent development, performance and reward, employee engagement, employee relations, leading HR and insights, strategy, and solutions. HR is no longer hiring and firing, but is core to the effectiveness of an organization. And importantly, HRM is not just for HR managers. It is for all managers and leaders to understand and apply. 20 years of experience equals trust. Learn more by getting your MBA from a top UK university without leaving work or home via distance or online learning today.